Out here walking around, getting ready to metal detect this 1850s home. Found a deer shed. Took a couple more steps. Found the other one.